So hello guys, welcome back to this another brand new video. So today in this topic is about how you can connect your Bluetooth sound if it is not working. Then so guys, if you are new in this channel, then please press the bell icons and hit the likes and on all the videos. So guys, and let's go. So you have to go in settings, and after that you have to search for your app management. So after going at app management, you have to go for app list and you have to search for YouTube. So after coming here, you have to press in this for stop, and after that you have to come in storage users and you have to clear cache and clear data. Okay. So after this, what you have to do, um, come to the permissions once, and your microphone should be hello, phone should be hello, and stress should be hello, camera also should be hello. Okay, and contact should be also not any, and in the locations also hello. So guys, this is what you have to do, and it will really work in your mobile. So guys, thanks for watching this video.